Friends, this is going to be my third attempt to make this video, as I just made a beautiful 15-minute long video only to discover that there's no sound. Apparently there's a video of mine, not apparently, I've heard it myself, a video on the audio research amplifier that I recapped that also doesn't have sound, or very distorted sound. Anyway, I have this Pioneer SA-9800 amplifier in for a minor repair, which turned out to just show again that if you replace a couple of electrolytic capacitors, it is best practice to replace all of them, because the small signal circuitry's power supply had a failure that was repaired, but then it failed again, and the failure was simply due to a shorted or an intermittent shorted capacitor in the input and driver stage of one of the power amplifier boards. So I ended up replacing all the electrolytic capacitors related to power duty, to the small signal power duty, because that's the reason the power supply failed in the first place. And when it failed again, it was that Q1, it's a series pass transistor that failed, that was short-circuited due to a bad capacitor on those lines, on the plus 52 volt lines. So there you go. But otherwise, it's a beautiful amplifier. It is a feature-packed stereo amplifier. It's built extremely well. It's got wonderful specifications. I've put it through its paces on the audio precision analyzer. There we have the total harmonic distortion figures, which is great. It's wonderful for an amplifier of this age. And frequency response, tiny bit of difference between the two, but this is on a 4 decibel scale, and that's the total harmonic distortion sweep at 50 watts into 8 ohms, which is also very good. So let's hope this video now has got sound. I'm going to keep it sweet and short. I'm heading now for Christmas time, and thank you for the support for this past year, and let's hope that 2023 that's ahead will be a year that's filled with everything that is good. Happy listening.